Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cordless hand blender is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can own, allowing you to easily create delicious soups, sauces, smoothies, and more, all without the hassle of cords or bulky countertop appliances. Its rechargeable battery provides cordless freedom, making blending quick and easy wherever you need it, from the kitchen counter to the outdoor picnic. Number 5. Zulay Milk Boss Frother. This handy milk frother lets you create cafe-quality drinks at home. It's quick, easy, and makes your favorite beverages extra delicious. With it, you can make rich, creamy froth in seconds. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, and more. It gives your drinks the professional touch without the coffee shop price tag. Enjoy barista-style beverages whenever you want. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse it under hot water while running. Its compact design makes storage simple. It comes with batteries included and is ready to use right out of the box. Start creating delicious drinks today. Get yours today and experience the convenience and deliciousness of making your own frothy creations at home. What we like? It makes creamy froth in seconds, and it's super easy to clean. If you need a quick and easy way to froth milk for your coffee, and don't mind using batteries, this is a great option. It's small enough to store easily, perfect for small kitchens or limited counter space. What people say? It's almost too powerful. The first time I used it, half the liquid in the cup went flying all over the place. It's at least 3 times as powerful as the other 2 I bought. This one has a high RPM and a lot of torque, even when it slows down from the resistance of blending. The Zulay Kitchen Frother is incredibly powerful for such a compact handheld tool. It froths milk in seconds and gives my lattes and cappuccinos that perfect cafe-style foam. Number 4. PowerLix Handheld Milk Frother. This little frother makes light work of creating creamy milk froth. It's perfect for adding that cafe touch to your morning coffee. No cords or plugs needed. Simply add it to your warm milk and watch it create a delicious foam in seconds. Made with durable stainless steel and a powerful motor, it's built to last. The dual-spring whisk delivers extra frothing power. It's beautifully designed and easy to use and clean. Use it for hot or cold drinks, even milkshakes and cocktails. We're confident you'll love it. That's why it comes with a lifetime warranty and a free bonus ebook. Order yours today. What we like? This one boasts a powerful motor and durable build. It's not just for frothing milk, it can handle various liquids, hot or cold. If you need a long-lasting, multi-purpose frother that can handle a variety of tasks, this is the one for you. Number 3. Mueller Immersion Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and soups? This powerful immersion blender makes quick work of mixing, blending, and whisking, leaving you with perfectly smooth results every time. It comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments, a blending shaft, a frother, and a whisk. That means you can make everything from creamy soups to fluffy whipped cream with ease. This handheld blender packs a punch. The turbo mode gives you extra power when you need it, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. Simply attach your desired accessory, immerse it, and blend. Adjust the speed as needed for perfect consistency. It's that simple. Cleanup is a breeze. All the attachments are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. What we like? It comes with multiple attachments for various tasks, from blending to whisking. Cleanup is a breeze because the parts are dishwasher safe. If you need a versatile tool for various kitchen tasks and value easy cleaning, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The immersion blender is fantastic. I've used it for making tallow soap and balm, and it blends everything down perfectly. The blades are sharp, and the power cord is long, which adds to the convenience. I purchased this immersion blender to make blending tasks easier, particularly for refried beans, and it has exceeded my expectations. It's simple to use, with multiple speed settings that provide excellent control. The powerful motor blends ingredients smoothly and consistently, whether it's beans or homemade applesauce. What I love most is its versatility. Interchangeable attachments make it suitable for various tasks, and the fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze. It's also well designed and sturdy, offering reliable performance every time. Works like described, worth a little more of money. I love the multifunctionality. The motor is strong. Number 2. OVENTE Cordless Blender HR981B. Say hello to cordless convenience. It's rechargeable, so you can blend anywhere. Enjoy smooth smoothies and soups without tangled cords. With its USB-C port, it offers cordless blending freedom. Make smoothies, soups, and purees anytime, anywhere. This blender boasts a powerful 200-watt motor and 8 speeds for precise blending. It's designed for comfortable use and a sleek look in your kitchen. It features an auto lock for safety and one-touch speed control. A blue indicator light signals when it's fully charged. Cleaning is a snap with the detachable stainless steel shaft. It's compact and comes with a BPA-free storage case that doubles as a measuring cup. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty against defects. Enjoy peace of mind with our US-based customer service. What we like. This cordless and rechargeable blender offers ultimate convenience. It's simple to operate with one-touch control. If you value cordless convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. This is my second time purchasing this immersion blender, and for good reason. My first one lasted an impressive 8 years before finally giving out. It's straightforward to use with 2 speed settings, making it perfect for soups, sauces, and smoothies. The stainless steel blades handle soft ingredients well, and the slim design fits nicely into pots and mixing bowls. Cleaning is a breeze, the detachable shaft is dishwasher safe, and the handle wipes clean without fuss. I purchased this unit as a replacement for a much more expensive model. I use it to puree the tomatoes right in the can. No need to pull out my blender or food processor. This stores easily in a drawer and takes up little room. It does a perfect job on the tomatoes. I have used it for creamed soups as well. Again, a great job. I love that it has 2 speeds. At 300 watts it seems to have more than sufficient power. I only have to hand wash the blade and put it away. Love this brand of blender mixer. Purchased the large set with all and the motor stopped working. I just had to buy this piece and it works great. We use it daily and it lasted 2 years, so I think they are durable. The parts do not look worn either. I like that I did not have to buy the whole set, again. Number 1. KitchenAid KHBBV53 Hand Blender. Say hello to effortless blending. This powerful hand blender gives you the freedom to create delicious soups, smoothies, and more, without the hassle of cords. With its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it blends up to 25 bowls of soup on a single charge. Need a quick boost? A 20-minute charge is all it takes to whip up a smoothie. Never worry about running out of power mid-blend. A convenient battery indicator light lets you know when it's time to recharge. The removable blending arm and jar are both dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Plus, the included pan guard protects your cookware. Take control of your creations with the variable speed trigger switch. It offers precise blending for any recipe, and the safety switch prevents accidental starts. Complete your cordless kitchen collection with our matching cordless food chopper and hand mixer. Each sold separately. It comes with everything you need: a blender arm, blending jar with lid, pan guard, and charger. All are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. What we like. It offers a long battery life and variable speed control for precise blending. Safety features prevent accidental starts. If you need a powerful blender with long battery life and precise speed control, this is a great option for you. What people say. The flexibility of having a cordless immersion blender is such a luxury. The one-button operation is simple and intuitive. Just press harder and it goes faster. The variable speed function works flawlessly. The shaft and blender head quickly detach for cleaning, and cleaning the blades themselves is as easy as running the blender in a cup of warm soapy water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.